Alright, as you see, we're going to start the building of a completely empty case. We have all the parts laid out. DVD burner, you got your motherboard, your IDE data cable, hard drive, power supply, you got adapters. This is a different video card than from the previous video, and then we got a micro SD reader. So we're going to start. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and put the power supply in, because once you get everything else in here, it's going to be hard to get it in there. Very simple. There's only pretty much one way that it'll line up. Whenever you put your power supply in, turn the case, and you'll see where your screws will line up here in the back. Okay, one thing I will say about motherboard, whenever you buy a motherboard, it's going to come with a plate for your specific board, because not all plates are the same. They just pop in and pop out right here, so make sure that you put the correct plate in. Also, you can't mount a motherboard directly to the base. You've got these little spacers right here, and they should come in the package also. They just screw directly down to the base, and then you screw the board onto the top of them. Now you have to make sure that you mount them specifically for the screw holes in your board.
Keep putting your head in the way.
I can cut the price back down to like 60 on the reload and just put you a brand new load on there with new office, new operating system, new driver, new farm software.
Oh, I used the right screw.
Yeah, I can get all that on there for you. Yes, sir. All right, I'll get reloaded.
Okay, basically all your main parts are in. Now you notice I did not show you how to hook up the cables to the motherboard. There's a reason for that. Not every motherboard is the same, and I'm not taking responsibility for you hooking the wires up the same way that I did and blowing your motherboard. So check the schematics on your motherboard. They should come with a piece of paper that tells you how to connect the wires to your board. So got the DVD burner in, got a micro SD reader, hard drive, everything, the parts are in. Now all we got to do is connect all the cables. Okay, we've got everything in, all the cables hooked up. The last thing we're going to put on is the video card. Now this is still a PCI Express as in the other video, but the difference is this one takes power that you have to plug from the board to the video card. So the installation is still the same as far as the other video cards. Just line it up, snap it into place, and then don't forget to put your screw in. And then some power supplies come with a 6-pin already. This one didn't, so we had to buy an adapter. But take your adapter, take your 6-pin, plug it into your video card. And that is basically everything. We've got the motherboard plugged up, we've got our USB cables, sound cables, we got our hard drive plugged, our CD, DVD burner, fans, power supply, everything's plugged up and ready to go. So once we set it up, turn it on, it should run just fine.